Hi everyone, let's make some garlic chili peanuts. Weigh out 250 grams of peanuts. Two teaspoons of salt and water and soak it for 10 minutes. Drain the peanuts and put them on an oven tray. Spread them out so they cook evenly. Preheat your oven to 180 and bake it for 20 minutes. Give it a stir after 10 minutes. Pick 2 chilies from your garden. Mince the chilies with 7 cloves of garlic. Heat the wok up, add some oil and get ready to fry the garlic and chili. Set aside the cooked garlic and chili. Remove any excess oil and add some water. Add a tablespoon of sugar and make sure it dissolves. Return the fried garlic and chili. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Return the peanuts and fry until you see no more steam. Keep stirring as you don't want to burn any of the ingredients now. We are at the home stretch. I can't wait to eat this, but unfortunately I'm making this for my dad, so none for me this time. Spread it out on a tray to let it cool before you eat them. Otherwise, it won't be crunchy. Please comment below, we love to hear from you.